All right, welcome to this week's ACT training snippet. This is John Klubnik, and I wanted to show you how to add a Twitter link to the Web Info tab in ACT 2010. Um, we've got our database open just to the demo database. The Web Info tab is open, but as you look down the left-hand side, we've got some great links here, but the one that is missing is the link for Twitter. One of the things that is important to realize before you do this is that a Twitter name is typically associated with the link. So if my Twitter link is John Klubnik, and I go to twitter.com, my area there is slash John Klubnik. So let's see what you see. So there you see that. So that's kind of what we want to do. We can either pull from an existing field inside of ACT, for example, the contact field name, or the first last name field, or we can create a special field for Twitter info. In this case, we have a field for Twitter added to the database, and we're going to put the tag for Chris Huffman. His tag is just going to be Chris Huffman with no space. And we're going to go to the Web Info tab here, and we're going to add a link that uses the Twitter field with the contents of Chris Huffman to bring up Chris's Twitter page. So to do this, we're going to go to Edit Links on the Web Info tab, choose Add, and we're going to give this a site name, Twitter, and then we're going to customize the URL section here. And you can kind of look at these and see the syntax of this. We're using the contact Twitter field, so we're going to put that into these curly brackets as we do this. So http:// twitter.com / and in curly brackets we're going to put the table name, which is contact, dot, and the field name, which is in this case Twitter. Close the curly brackets, click OK. You'll see that added below. And if I click on this, actually we'll go up to the top here. If I click on Twitter, you should see Chris's Twitter page pop up. Alright, so you can see that there's no link for Twitter under the Web Info tab inside of ACT 2010. We do have a field at the top where we have Chris Huffman's Twitter tag name in a field called Twitter. And so we're going to go to the Web Info tab, click on, or actually double click on the center line here to maximize this, and we're going to go to Edit Links, and we're going to go to Add. We're going to add the site name of Twitter. Then we're going to click on Advanced Edit to the right. This makes it a little bit easier rather than typing things in manually. First thing we want to do is put in the site name. Twitter.com / now we hit our Advanced Edit. And we want to add the field called Twitter, so I'm going to scroll down till I see that. And there it is there. Click Add. You'll see it adds the field to the right. I can see the example value. I can see the result URL. If I want to test it here, I could. And when I'm done, I click OK. And OK again. And what you'll see as soon as we do this is that it links to the Twitter page. If I were to go to the open browser window, you'll see it opens up with the link. That's how you do it. We've added a Twitter tagline to our web info tab inside of Act 2010. The key here is going to be to use the field called Twitter, have it added to your layout, which we'll talk about in a different clip here. And we're going to pull this field into the Twitter link.